Let's make potato soup. We only need 3 ingredients: half size of onion, 1 potato, and 1 cup of milk. Turn on the 가스레인지. Put your potato in. Slice your onion while waiting for potato. The potatoes are ready. Let me try to peel the skin off. Now let me try this way.
Potatoes ready.
Put some butter on. And then put these onions. If onions became light brown, turn off your stove. Turn on the gas stove again. Heat your soup till you get to your favorite type of texture. Basil for a nice look.